Hi, it's Matt from Lost Creek Machine. I've got another gearhead lathe in today. This is a Clausen Colchester 13 by 36. Got a 3-jaw, and the 3-jaw, one of the pinions is broken. It still works, but it's been broken. I got a rocker style tool post, some tool holders. I got the headstock bushing and the faceplates bolted to the back of the lathe. I've got a 4-jaw chuck. There's a serial number. Morse taper 3 tailstock. Got a live center in there. Thread dial. I've got her set at 570 RPM. Go ahead and make a cut with it. This has got a 2-speed motor on it. That's a 50 thousandths cut. It's got a brake on it too. L0 spindle. So we were at 570, I think. Yeah, so if we kick it up to the high speed, we'll be at 900 now. And then, so this is considered the lever at the front. And then these are the levers on top right here. Let's see if we put her the slowest speed, that lever stays there. And these 2 levers on top go to the middle. And we'll want to go back down to the low speed. That's 40 RPM. Okay. All right, so I put her back in 570. And let's show you the power feeds. So the lead screw and the feed bar are moving. So I can do either the half nuts for threading or the power feed. So that's the longitudinal feed. Here's the cross feed. If you want to change direction, you move this switch. Direction of the spindle. I think that's the lower one. We're going backwards now. think this one here, let's see. It's going that way. I think that's the direction of the feed. Nope, that engages the lead screw and disengages the lead screw. So that means this must be the direction, I'm guessing. Yep, that changed the direction. Guess we were going backwards too. Oh, there it is. Should have cleaned that up a little better. I'm guessing it's an 1.5 inch hole, but I'll have to check and post that on the listing.